Hello there, I'm Priyanka. In today's video, we will learn about the magnifier tool and the color picker tool that we can use in Paint. Paint is a simple drawing program. We can draw a lot many things in Paint. Let's learn about some tools present in Paint. Magnifier tool. The magnifier tool is used to zoom in on a part of your drawing and see it more clearly. Let's see how we can use magnifier tool in Paint program. So this is my Paint program and I have already created some drawings using the shape tool. The magnifier tool is present under the Home tab in the Tools group. The magnifying glass icon is the magnifier tool. Just select the magnifier tool and then click on the part of your drawing that you want to zoom in. Let's click here and you will see that your drawing will be zoomed to 200%. In the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see 200% written. If you want to further zoom in your drawing, just single click and you will see your drawing is zoomed to 300%. In the same way, you can further zoom in your drawing. You can also zoom in or zoom out your drawing using the slider present at the bottom right corner. By default, our drawing is set to 100%. Now, suppose I want to zoom in this part of my drawing, then I will single click using the mouse and zoom my drawing to 200 or 300%. You can also zoom in or zoom out your drawing using the plus and the minus icon present in the slider at the bottom right corner. So this is your magnifier tool present under the Home tab in the Tools group that we can use to view the magnified view of our drawing. Next is the color picker tool. The color picker tool is used to set the current foreground or background colors. Let's see how we can use the color picker tool in Paint program. So the color picker tool is present under the Home tab in the Tools group. The color picker tool looks like a dropper icon. The color picker tool is used to pick a specific color from your picture and change the background or the foreground color. Now if I click on the color picker tool and click on the pink color, the color 1 will be changed to pink. And now you will see that the icon automatically changes to fill with color tool. And now I can use the same color to color my star. So my star is of pink color now. In the same way, if I again select the color picker tool and pick the yellow color, then I can change the color of my star or fill the color of my star with yellow. So this is how we use the color picker tool to pick any color and change the background or the foreground color. Now let's again click on color picker tool and pick the red color. You will see the color 1 is changed to red. Now I can fill my cloud with red color, my arrow with red, the triangle with red. So in the same way, you can select any color and then change the color of your drawing or picture. Again, now select the color picker tool and let's pick the white color. And now I can fill my star with the white color. Color 1 is basically the foreground color and color 2 is the background color. If you click on color 1 and select any color from the color palette, the foreground color will be changed. And if I click on color 2 and then select any color from the color palette, For example, let's select brown. So now the background color is brown. If you want to fill your drawing with color 2, then right click the mouse button. And if you want to fill it with color 1, then left click the mouse button. So this is how you can switch between color 1 and color 2 using the mouse click. Now let's right click and the background color is changed to brown, and if I left click, it is changed to white. Now let's click on color 1 and change the color 1 to pink. If I right click the mouse button, the background color will be brown, and if I left click, it will be pink. So this is how you can switch between both the colors using your mouse buttons. So that's all for the color picker tool. That's all for today's video. Happy learning. Thank you.